If you are a factory HR manager, I have one piece of advice for you. Do not just become an HR administrator only. Don't let your entire HR role become attendance, contract labor, payroll coordination, leave records, compliance, disciplinary process, exit formalities, joining formalities. Yes, all of these are important, but that is not the complete HR job. I have spent a significant part of my career working with manufacturing organizations, and I have seen this pattern quite often. Factory HR becomes so busy managing the day to day issues that they don't get time to actually build the organization. And this is where I think factory HR needs to change. Ask yourself, how are you developing employees? Do you have a proper training plan? Are your supervisors being developed as people managers? Do employees know what is expected from them? Is there a performance management system which is proper? Are you identifying your high potential people? Are you preparing for the next generation of supervisors and managers? Are you regularly measuring employee experience? And if the answer to most of these questions is no, then perhaps it is time to step back and ask, am I managing HR or am I just working as a HR administrator? Because the real value of HR is not only in maintaining records. The real value of HR is in making people and the organization better. A good factory HR manager should be able to tell the plant head why we are losing people, why we are losing their skills, why managers need development, where is the productivity suffering because of people issues, what can we do to improve employee experience, and yes, more importantly, how can HR contribute to the business. Your factory does not need HR to simply process attendance and managing the contract labor. It needs HR to build capability, improve performance, develop people, and create a better workplace. So, if you are a factory HR manager, don't limit yourself to the role the organization has given you. Upscale yourself, learn people development, learn performance management system, learn employee engagement, learn data and analytics, and start becoming the HR business partner your plant actually needs. Because ultimately, factory HR should not just manage people problems. Factory HR should build people capability. That is the difference between an administrative manager and a true HR manager.